1. The NOC to start a new technical, professional program in the technical institution affiliated to a university is issued by A. The state government. B. Affiliating university. C. AICTE. D. NOC not required. The right answer is affiliating university. 2. Which of the following are not the statutory officers of Sri Vishwakarma Skill University, as mentioned in the university statutes? 1. Vice Chancellor. 2. Controller of Examinations. 3. Controller of Finance. 4. Registrar. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 3 and 4. D. 2.3 and 4. The right answer is 2 and 3. 3. Given below are two statements. 1. Institutional autonomy guarantees academic freedom. 2. Academic freedom is not possible without institutional autonomy. In light of above statements, choose the most appropriate answer. A. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct. B. Both statements 1 and 2 are incorrect. C. Statement 1 is correct but 2 is incorrect. D. Statement 1 is incorrect but 2 is correct. The right answer is statement 1 is incorrect but 2 is correct. 4. Which leave cannot be combined with any other kind of leave? A. Earned leave. C. Special casual leave. B. Maternity leave. D. Casual leave. The right answer is casual leave. 5. A government servant shall normally not be granted leave of any kind for a continuous period exceeding the following number of years. A. 2. C. 4. B. 3. D. 5. The right answer is 5 years. 6. The following has the effect of interruption in service. A. Unauthorized absence not regularized by any kind of leave. B. Suspension followed by reinstatement after imposing the major penalty. C. Delay in joining time while on transfer. D. Period of absence not treated as dies non. A. A and B. B. B and C. C. C and D. D. D and A. The right answer is A and B. 7. On promotion of a government employee, option for pay fixation from the date of accrual of normal increment is to be exercised within a period of A. 3 months. B. 6 months. C. 1 month. D. 1 year. The right answer is 1 month. 8. In a calendar year, CCL cannot be granted for more than A. 2 times. C. 4 times. B. 3 times. D. 6 times. The right answer is 3 times. 9. Agenda of meeting of the following authorities of the university are treated as confidential. 1. Executive Council. 2. Establishment Committee. 3. Skill Council. 4. Finance Committee. A. Only 1 and 2. C. Only 3 and 4. B. Only 1, 2 and 4. D. All 1 to 4. The right answer is all 1 to 4. 10. The excess of total expenditure of government over its total receipts, excluding borrowings, is known as A. Primary deficit. C. Current deficit. B. Fiscal deficit. D. Capital deficit. The right answer is fiscal deficit. 11. Who found the Central Hindu School at Banaras, which was later developed into Banaras Hindu University? A. Madan Mohan Malaviya. C. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. B. Annie Besant. D. Madam H.P. Blavatsky. The right answer is Annie Besant. 12. Who is the head of the expert committee constituted by the Supreme Court to probe Pegasus allegations? A. Justice R.V. Ravindran. B. Justice Ranjan Gogoi. C. Justice A.K. Sikri. D. Justice Karnan. The right answer is Justice R.V. Ravindran. 13. Which is India's first certified organic fruit? A. Apple. B. Strawberry. C. Kiwi. D. Banana. The right answer is kiwi. 14. Which among the following is not a penalty? A. Censure. B. Reprimand. C. Warning. D. None of these. The right answer is none of these. 15. What is the age limit for an unmarried daughter who is dependent on government servant for reimbursement of medical bills? A. 18 years. B. 25 years. C. 30 years. D. No age limit. The right answer is 25 years. 16. Public holidays are declared under A. Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881. B. Contract Act, 1872. C. Public Employees Act, 1967. D. None of the above. The right answer is Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881. 17. Which of the following statements about the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana are correct? It is part of Government of India's poverty reduction strategy. 2. It is a centrally sponsored scheme for rural development. 3. It provides connectivity rural areas. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and only. The right answer is 1, 2 and 3. 18. The increase in private investment spending induced by the increase in government spending is known as A. Crowding in. C. Crowding out. B. Deficit financing. D. Pumping out. The right answer is crowding in. 19. The mismatch in the regional or occupational pattern of job vacancies and the pattern of worker availability results in A. Structural unemployment. B. Disguised unemployment. C. Altered unemployment. D. Cyclical unemployment. The right answer is structural unemployment. 20. National Disaster Management Authority is headed by A. The Prime Minister. B. The Home Minister. C. The President. D. The Health Minister. The right answer is the Prime Minister. 21. A motion of no confidence is moved against A. An individual minister. B. The Council of Ministers. C. The Prime Minister. D. A political party. The right answer is the Council of Ministers. 22. Which of the following is our social security schemes? 1. Atal Pension Yojana. 2. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. 3. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1 and 3 only. The right answer is 1, 2 and 3. 23. Which one of the following longitudes is the standard meridian of India? A. 83 degree 30 A. B. 82 degree 30 A. C. 82 degree 30 W. D. 83 degree 30 W. The right answer is 82 degree 30 A. 24. Sleeping sickness is caused by A. Trypanosoma. B. Leishmania. C. Plasmodium. D. Paramecium. The right answer is trypanosoma. 25. The weight of an object is due to A. The net force acting on it. B. The total of all forces acting on it irrespective of their direct. C. The force that it exerts on the ground. D. Its inert property. The right answer is the net force acting on it.